Okay, YouTube people, this is my Keurig Elite coffee maker. I know I've lifted it up at an angle here so you can see a little bit better. It's less than a year old, and I had problems with, guess what, filling of the water. It wouldn't pump up enough water, and so there were issues. Now, if you look on the internet, they will tell you to do things like this pin up here and try and unclog that with paper clip, and that didn't help. Take out this cup tray, clean out that also didn't help. Flip it over, that didn't help. And then there were others who said there was a problem with the way it sucks up. So they said take the side water thing off and look for that sucking mechanism there, and I suppose that's it, but that also didn't work. So the answer lies right down there. See that valve there? Okay, so if you look on this is the side tank. Don't bother wasting your time trying to take that filter out and buying a new one, because that didn't help either. And also to mention the fact that this descaling thing, it didn't actually come on, although I tried descaling. But when you descale with very little pumping action, you're not going to be getting much luck, as I did it about 30 some times just to empty one reservoir when maybe 4 extra large cups should have emptied the reservoir. So the solution, the simple solution, is to go to this valve here and put your finger on there and just push down on it. There's a little spring on there, you can't really see, but as you push on it, it kind of sucks up a little water there. If you keep pushing, more water comes up, but that's not really that important. But push it up and down a while, and that seems to dislodge something else. And put your reservoir back on, and I turn it back on, and I'll fill it back up with water, and you'll see that it'll pump out clearly. I'll come back in just a sec.